We're at 136 Cumming Road. This is in Pensacola. We are entering onto the front porch here. Walking into our main front door here, we have our great room, family room. You can see our dining area with a built-in corner shelf, and we have nice cables as well. We have laminate flooring that runs throughout the majority of the home, newer light fixtures, newer bathrooms as well. This home does have central AC, but it also has window units as well. Before we go into the kitchen, we'll turn you around and show you back to the living room again. You can see our front door there as well. Continuing on, kitchen is on the back side of the home. You can see our back door. To the right, we have another full bathroom, and then here is our kitchen space. We have lots of good cabinet space and countertop space as well, and windows looking into the backyard. Turning back now, we'll go to the first full bathroom. So this is off of the kitchen area. We have some shelves here or linen storage. We have a nice tub shower combo and then sink vanity as well. Heading back out, here's our kitchen again. Before we go to the backyard, we'll show you the bedrooms. So back in our dining area, we'll take a left turn. This is bedroom number 1. This bedroom doesn't have a closet in here, but we do have a laundry room, closet storage area that can count as a closet for this bedroom. So here are the laundry units, and then we have our shelves as well. And then here is that bedroom again. Heading back out now. We're back in the dining area. Walking through the living space, there's our front door, and then we're gonna take a turn here, and this is bedroom number 2. So this is on the front side of the home. We have laminate flooring that continues through this area as well. We have a nice good sized closet here. And then we do have a bathroom attached here. So we have a nice tub shower combo. Nice good sized vanity. And then behind our door, we have our commode. And then this also connects to that laundry area, closet space for the other bedroom. Heading back out now, we'll take you to the backyard. So we're going back through this bedroom here, taking a right, going through our dining space, through our kitchen, and we're coming to our backyard. So here is that backyard space. This yard is huge. It comes around all sides. We have beautiful oak trees here as well. Now stepping down, we do have a storage shed to the side, which has our laundry connections in it as well. And we'll show you that as well. But here's the back side of that home. And then our yard. Heading back inside now, we'll take you to that storage shed. So going back through our kitchen space. Through our dining room and our living room here. We'll head out our front door here. We'll take an immediate turn here. So we do have a double wide gate here, and then we also have a standard gate. So here is our shed space. That is where the laundry connections are. And then here is that backyard again. Again, this is 136 Cumming Road, offered by Barron's Property Managers, 850-934-2588. You can also view it at BarronsPM.com. Again, 136 Cumming Road.